What the fuck?
I'm giving Taco the fucking challenge, bro. Send me
Yo,
back.
whoa, hands,
He's
hands.
breaching.
Send me back, bro.
Hands up,
bringing Taco
motherfucker.
He's breaching.
Who's breaching?
We got it. Don't worry about it. Keep the guy.
I'm fucking giving Taco the challenge.
Put him at the front as a hostage, man. You wanna come in here and play games, bro?
Bro, what is this guy doing?
I'm
giving
bro.
Come and fuck without shit for no reason, bro. What's up? What the fuck up, bro?
You're ruining our experience, man. How
Trying
dare
to
you
breach your own fucking gang, man?
Challenger, bro. Send me back, bro. I can't see. What is happening? What is this? This guy's out here fucking just bringing everybody in. What is this? Who the fuck is this guy behind me in the fucking in the pink?
You know exactly who that is.
I'm sorry, bro.
Oh, is that? You guys fuck him up?
You know exactly who that is.
Yeah. What's up, Quincy?